Good morning. I'm up. It was cold last night, but I slept good. I slept okay. It's not very comfortable back there, but I get me a hotel or a cabin or something here in a couple of days when I just can't take it anymore. Anyway, I'm all packed up, leaving my campsite, getting ready to call my people at home, let them know I'm safe, and I'm heading over to the sand dunes, the great sand dunes. So go over there and do a little hiking and get a little sun, and I'll see you there. Well, I'm kind of lost, but I'm trusting the GPS to get me where I need to get. But it's already taken me down one road that was closed. So luckily I got a full tank of gas and 5 gallons. So we'll just see what happens. See where it takes us. I'm following a grader too. That explains all the dust up in front of me. But let's hope for the best here. Get me over to that park. GPS, you're taking me the hard way. Yeah, really. There's some cool views. About 3 miles from the entrance, and there's the sand dunes. Just gigantic sand dunes out in the middle of nothing. Somewhere where you wouldn't think there'd be sand. There they are. Pretty awesome. I made it to the sand dunes, got my camping spot. There's the dunes, right there. So I'm gonna head down and hike a while, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Alright, made it to the dunes. And it wasn't no easy task either, getting up here. I'm nowhere near the top. That's the top. I'm getting clobbered by the wind right now. Alright, I'm gonna make the long trek back. Go hang out at my campsite for a while, come back when it gets dark. Maybe get some photos of the stars. Got the sun going down. I'm in a good camping spot. Good view of the dunes when I wake up in the morning. I'm so tired. I'm so tired from walking up them dunes. Perfect sunset. Of course that cloud's in the way, but still good. Alright, I'm still over here at the sand dunes, and I'm thinking about doing my Dono Pass primitive road a little bit here. I'm by myself, so if it gets too rough, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. So I was kind of hoping another off-road vehicle would come through, but I'll take it for a little ways and see what we get. So here we go. made me nervous back there. Everybody got stuck. Okay, I've had enough of sandy off-road for one day. I'm getting out of here. Oh, there's a little view of Poncha Springs coming up. I gotta get a little bit of gas here. This looks like a decent sized town with stuff in it. Since I had 2 turkey sandwiches earlier, yeah, I'm not going to cook too much tonight. Anyway, view of the campsite. Mountains all around, not too many people here. It's pretty good, pretty good. So, talk to you guys later.